Welcome to an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at our latest creation, a meticulously crafted 70-centimeter ship model built for a prestigious marine company in Abu Dhabi. Designed to impress clients and visitors during high-level meetings, this model is more than a display piece. It's a true showcase of engineering, precision, and craftsmanship. Our journey begins with FDM 3D printing. Large hull components and structural parts are printed layer by layer, forming the backbone of the ship. Each piece emerges with remarkable accuracy, ready for the next stage. Once printed, the hull assembly starts. Every segment is aligned and bonded together to create a strong and unified structure. And to achieve a flawless surface, body filler is carefully applied, smoothing out joint lines and imperfections. Next, the details come to life. Using high-resolution SLA printing, we produce the intricate parts, the fine components that give the model its authenticity and realism. These elements are now ready for the painting process. With all parts prepared, we apply a uniform primer coat, giving each piece a smooth base and perfect paint adhesion. Then comes the transformation. The final paint, applied precisely according to RAL color standards, bringing the model's true identity to life. With the hull now painted to perfection, assembly moves into its final and most exciting phase. Piece by piece, every component finds its place. Connections are made with precision, details align seamlessly, and slowly, the ship begins to emerge as a complete masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes journey. Stay tuned for more incredible builds, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future projects.